It's time for the Intense 5, let's go. So you know everyone is basically at home, so there's lots going on. Well, everyone is at home except Elephant Man. On Monday, he was charged because he lied on his immigration documents, but they decided to also move him into a government quarantine facility. Boy, Ellie, so it go. Last week, Romain took it for us with TikTok. This week, Dalton Harris is our TikTok champ.
Oh. Hello, miss.
Oh, you're the sister?
Yeah, you call me look well.
Oh, yes.
Me know your face. Yeah, man, your face always come on TV when they got disaster.
Oh.
Look here, you will have to be ziggy blow off in a storm, and he blow by the woman there and look your back one alone.
I'm not here.
So Roshan went live on IG recently with the theme songs that make girls whine. Well, apparently one of his IG guests sounded a lot like the world boss.
Looking at me, I know, not go diss you, baby. Wine, I'm out.
Yeah.
What do you think? What not to do in self-quarantine? Give yourself a haircut. Well, I can't really speak for myself because I did cut my hair myself. After you drink?
No.
Okay, I thought so. Well, especially after drinking. Pink learned that the hard way.
When I drink, I get really, really brilliant ideas. And last night, I got an idea. I can cut hair. I can totally cut hair. Why have I been paying people all this time? Look what I did. What do you think? Good look? What about this side? A little lower on that side. I think I'm looking pretty good.
And finally holding the spot this week. Swiss Beats versus Timbaland IG clash. It was really intense.
My brother Timberlake told me to get the wine. He done said about 2 or 3 times he in the zone, so we in the zone. We got a little Canis, special select. You know, this is the vibe, this is the zone. We on quarantine, right? Having whatever we want to do. Ooh, Swiss, I'm there now.
Lots of artists passed through. Maybe our DJs could do something like that here. That's it for the Intense 5 this week. Follow us on IG at TVJ Intense.